Hey everyone, welcome to a new NoobToNewb tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to show you guys how to even out your audio. Say you have like really loud audio in one ear and a really soft audio in the other ear. I want to show you real quickly how to fix that. So, right here I have a clip I recorded with my phone. I just put my phone up next to my speakers with one side. I don't know if I have like more than one microphone, but anyways, you can tell the audio is more heavy, I think, on the right side. And to fix that, it's pretty simple. You just want to go down to your audio track down here and right click, go to clip attributes and go to audio. And here I have my two channels and it's playing, the one and the two, but I just want to play the right one. And I can see this one is aligned to the right, so the one on the left I'm gonna put on channel 2, so they're both set to the right. If it's on the left side, then you would just do the opposite. Alright, anyways, let's see how this sounds. Start over. Alright, and there you have it. Sounds pretty even to me. Hope you guys enjoy and have a great day. Alright, bye.